Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to a Coder's Journey, this Clean Code in C# series. This is Mortaza, and in this episode we are going to talk about choosing a good name for our variables, for our local variables. Now suppose in this method print the report and notify the customer I want to declare a variable. First off, for variables like method parameters, you use camel casing. So I'm gonna say, you know what, I have an integer called number of operations, and I'm gonna assign number 100 to this local variable. As you can see, I've got the camel case name. This is a noun or a noun phrase as opposed to a method, which is a verb or a verb phrase. Something else that I want to point out here, which is I think very important, is the proximity or the closeness of your variable to the place where it is used. I have seen, sometimes I see these, that some programmers at the very beginning of their methods, they declare all the local variables that they think they might need or they actually need, and then they try to write the rest of the code. This is something which is not advised. It is better to declare a variable to the place or closest to the place, to the piece of code which is going to be used in. For example, if I have this variable here on line 31, and I'm gonna use this variable on line, for example, 44, it is better to move this variable down here. So do not do this. Do not declare your variables. If you do this, try to reconsider. Do not declare your variables up front and then all the way down use that variable. Try to put the variable, the declaration of a variable, closest to the place where it is going to be used. This is something very important. And as I told you, camel casing, it is used a noun phrase, and do not add like a prefix, right? Don't do that. And of course, come up with the best suitable, the most appropriate data type for your local variables. And of course, if you do not need a variable, if you don't use that variable, and you of course should remove that variable in C# in Visual Studio 2022. Whenever you declare a variable but you don't use that variable, it is the pop-up says that the variable number of operations is assigned but its value is never used. And it's kind of grayed out, as you can see, as opposed to, for example, the color here or the color here. So this is a sign that this, variable hasn't been used in our code. So we might as well remove it altogether. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Please like it. If you've got anyone who is learning, any friend who is learning how to write clean code, you can share this video with that person. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to A Coder's Journey and activate that notification so that you do not miss out on my upcoming videos. Stay around, and I think in the next video we're gonna talk a little bit about other naming considerations, and then we will move on to another topic. Catch you guys later. Bye-bye.